welcome and bienvenue. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover. Welcome. Well, today we're going to talk about this. It's an unboxing, a not so tiny unboxing, so we'll go directly to the point. Let's unbox it. By the way, I want to thank my sister because she is the person who picked this parcel in my boutique in Avignon because I have no possibility to go there. So thank you, sweetie. Merci. Well, it's really well packed. There is a 3 sticker. I'm sure you know what I have. I'm sure you know, but the first item, okay, you all know what it is. Of course you know. It's again a Longchamp Foulonné pouch. Oh wow, it's super well wrapped. It's super well. And I got the amazing cypress color. Oh, my God, this color is insane. I will take pics outside. Today it's sunny. I will take pics because you have to see the color. Seriously, this year Longchamp perfection with Foulonné colors, really perfection. So here is the one I added to my collection. If you haven't seen my review of my collection of Longchamp pouch, please check this video on my channel. And so I added this one because I'm in love, guys. I'm in love. The price is correct compared to other brands. The capacity is insane. You can fit a bunch of items. Look at this. So this is the Longchamp tag. Look at this. Inside it's raw leather. And yes, Foulonné leather. It's my favorite. It's really my favorite leather. And because it's unscratchable and oh my God, it lasts long. It really lasts long. So they are great investment. If you're looking for a piece to have for years, go for this. If you want to make a nice gift from the nice brand, go for this guy. So yes, I have added this one and I love it. I love it. I really love it. Yes, it's perfection. So this is the first item. So guys, this one came in a box and I'm sure you know what it is again. There's no surprise, but hey guys, I'm a collector. I'm a collector for years and I'm so happy because I waited for a long time. For several years now, Longchamp has only produced Foulonné pieces in classic color. I mean, black, red, brown. It's okay. But guys, I love colors. I love to pop my outfit. I love to have funny things in my bags, and this is the year. This year they have done great colors. And so in this box I got the tag, you know, nice paper, and of course guys, I have to have it. I got the card holder, Foulonné card holder from Longchamp in the cypress color. Oh my God. I love it. I really love it. This item also, if you need to make a gift for any occasion, go for this. I will write the price, or I can tell you, this retails for 50 euro, 65 American dollar, and the pouch goes for 75 euro and $95. If I make a mistake, I will correct it below. Okay, And look at this. Look at this. I couldn't pass on this item because, as I told before, I collect them. I love colors, and I think Foulonné, when you put a color on Foulonné, the result is really nice. It's really, really nice. And yes, I'm in love. I'm in love. 1 second. Okay. This is my bag of the day. You all recognize my Foulonné crossbody L, the bigger version. This is a cypress color, guys. I love it. I got also the lilac one. I use it a lot. This one, I love it too. And look. Of course, you can mix the color, of course, and I will do it. But look how gorgeous it is. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh my God, I'm in love. I so wish they also create the little cone purse, you know, the one with the lunar form. It's sad they didn't make it. It's sad, but that's the decision of Longchamp. And oh yes, and look, in this one, I got my lilac pouch. It's cute. It's really cute. It's funny. It's cute. And wow. I also got my card holder. And yes, these are, look at this color. Yes, the new colors are really great. And there's also saffron, navy. But I already have some blue in my collection. And yes, oh, it's really cute. I really love it. I'm sorry, guys. You will think, oh my God, she only unbox same items every time. But I know maybe it will not last. Maybe next year they will not produce they will not produce great colors. Maybe, who knows? So I'm happy with that. I'm really happy. And just this is Lagoon, the Lagoon one, and they start making colors again with Lagoon and Mimosa, and which was a dark yellow, and it was great also. It was great. And then they produced lilac, cypress, saffron, and look how gorgeous. And they are really so practical, and oh my God, I love the combination of those two colors. Really cute, really cute. And yes, it's great. I'm super happy to have those three colors. And yes, let's dream they make another fun color for the next season, for spring, summer. And they are really cute. Yes, I'm so happy. I will grab my other colors for you to see. Okay, guys, so far here are my collection. Yes, maybe, yes, I think they're all here. And yeah, this is the color. Check my video, and I love them. Love them. And they are so great, so practical. I've got silver bleu canard, which is duck blue. This is duck blue. I've got strong pink. I've got powder pink, and so I've got lilac, and now cypress. If you want to check other colors, because I do not have, of course, all colors, check the channel of the Handbag Housewife. She has fallen in love also with this Longchamp pouch, and she have ordered some with a sales associate. And check her channel, subscribe to her channel, because her videos are great. And she ordered a bunch of these pouches in another color. And just check, the colors are insane too. And here are so far mine. Oops. And well, guys, if you're looking for a pouch to transport all your items, because you can also, with a wristlet, transport it with a wristlet without problem, or if you want to carry your thing inside a big bag but you do not want that they go everywhere in the bag, choose these pouches. They are just perfection. And yes, the color is insane. And I will put some pics in the sun to show you exactly how the color is outside, but it's just stunning. Guys, thanks for watching this tiny video. I hope you like it. Do not hesitate to give a thumbs up. If you have questions about the Foulonné line, do not hesitate. I collect this line for years, so I can maybe help you. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And take care. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous souhaite une très bonne journée et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye guys!